Welcome to matecv.com. What is your name and nationality?
My name is Eugene Chioba Gloria,
What is your nationality?
Nigeria,
Okay. How many years old are you?
35 years.
Are you single or married? Are you single or married?
Single.
Okay. Do you have so what job you are applying for?
For a nanny maid.
Housemaid cum nanny.
Yes.
So when would you be able to start working if you get a new job?
Immediately.
Immediately. Okay. Do you have any relatives in UAE?
Yes, I have a sister.
Okay. So please describe your last job. Describe your last job.
My last job was I was a kindergarten assistant in a nursery school. I take care of children. I feed them, then also put them in order, then prepare them when the mother comes to pick them up.
Okay. So, what did you like most about your last job?
Because my last job I deal with children, so I like keeping them in company. I like making them happy. So it was fun.
Okay. So describe in detail how do you perform your tasks for each location in the house. How will you clean the living room, kitchen, bedrooms, and toilets? Describe how will you clean the house.
Okay, first and foremost, I have to take bath the children. Then I feed them, get them ready to school. Then I start to clean the toilets, arrange the beds, clean the kitchens. Then maybe start cooking, cooking for getting the lunch ready. That's for the children to come back and have their lunch.
Okay. So how many times in a week you change the bed sheets in a bedroom?
It depends on the employer.
Okay. So minimum 1 time or 2 times?
Even if it's every day, there's no problem.
Okay. So how will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets? How will you maintain the cleanliness of the toilets?
The toilets need to be cleaned every day.
Every day. Okay. So what would you do if a delivery man came to the door and your employer is not around?
I don't open the door.
You will not open the door. Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, I cook very well.
Okay. What kind of food you can cook?
I can make breakfast, lunch, and not actually, I can learn. If I get the recipes, I can.
Okay. If they give instructions, you can follow the instructions and you can cook.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay. So, are you willing to take care of children?
yes.
What favorite activities you enjoy doing with children?
I like taking them out, maybe to the garden, in the pool, maybe playing football with them, keep them happy at all times.
Okay. Okay. So, what do children like best about you?
Children like because I'm always with them. I like playing. I like playing with them.
Okay. If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
You said?
If one of the children accidentally hurts himself, what will you do?
Okay, first and foremost, I'll get the first aid. I'll treat them, then I'll call the parents to let them know what has happened.
Okay. Are you willing to do light chores while the baby is sleeping?
Do I like?
Light chores, like are you ready to do some housework while the baby is sleeping?
Yes.
What kind of work you can do while the baby is sleeping?
That is what I would do for the baby or housework.
Housework. When the baby is sleeping, at that time you can do some housework, right? Ironing.
Yes. ironing or maybe
Okay.
laundry or any other thing, any other household work.
Okay. As a nanny, could you say no to your child?
Yes, I will.
In what type of situations you will say no to the child?
For example, rules that be given that the employer as the mother has given to me. Maybe the child is trying to do something wrong. I'll try to put the child in order. So I always say no.
Okay. So the child finishes school at 3 p.m. and she will have her dinner at 6 p.m. During those 3 hours, what will you do to entertain the child?
I told you, unlike me, I like playing with children. Maybe I'll be reading books, stories, or maybe taking the baby out for a walk. So,
Okay. So how much is your minimum expected salary?
from 1,500 upwards.
1,500?
Yes, upwards.
Okay. So what kind of a housemaid or nanny are you? Describe yourself and give a short message to your future employer. Why should they hire you?
Okay.
Describe
Because I'm a
yourself.
good, okay. Because I'm a good, honest, hardworking, and loving person. I really take care of the children if you hire me.
Okay. So please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you. Thank you very much for
Okay.
your time for MedCiv.com, Eugene. Thank you.
All right. Thank you very much.